behalf of the Senate Minority Leader, the Honorable Stuart Mazayo. Honorable Speaker, this is a statement on the withdrawal of the security detail of the Honorable Justice Lawrence Mugambi. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 52.1 to make a statement on a matter of national and general topical concern, namely the withdrawal of the security of the Honorable Justice Lawrence Mugambi, Judge of the High Court of Kenya. Mr. Speaker, sir, on 13 September 2024, Honorable Justice Lawrence Mugambi issued a ruling in a contempt of court proceedings against Mr. Gilbert Masengeli, the Acting Inspector General of Police, sentencing him to 6 months in prison. This ruling has drawn a seemingly retaliatory action from the National Police Service, which withdrew the judge's security detail over the weekend. This action by the National Police Service is a violation of the rule of law and the principle of judicial independence enshrined in our Constitution. It is not only illegal, but outrightly unconstitutional. Mr. Speaker, sir, Article 160 of the Constitution provides for the independence of the judiciary and states that the judiciary shall be subject only to the Constitution and the law and not to be controlled or directed by any person or authority. The withdrawal of security for a sitting judge in response to his discharge of judicial duty is a direct contravention of this constitutional provision and must be condemned. Judicial officers must be at liberty to make decisions based on law, free from intimidation or coercion. Mr. Speaker, sir, I strongly condemn the intimidation of Honorable Justice Lawrence Mugambi. We must all take cognizance of the appeal processes provided in our laws for any party who feels dissatisfied with a court ruling, rather than resort to revenge missions against the judiciary. Such actions, Mr. Speaker, not only seek to undermine the authority of the courts, the administration of justice, but also suggest that judicial decisions can be influenced by external factors other than the law. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is imperative that we take note of these actions by the National Police Service and their potential impact on our judicial system. As a retired judge and Senate Minority Leader, I have also suffered the wrath of holding the executive accountable that resulted in the withdrawal of my security detail. This unjust behavior of the National Police Service of withdrawing security detail without stated and justifiable reasons for the same must stop henceforth. Mr. Speaker, sir, we must respect the principle of separation of powers and uphold the rule of law. The independence of the judiciary is a fundamental tenet enshrined in our Constitution. It is essential for the protection of human rights, promotion of fairness, and upholding of democratic values. The judiciary must be allowed to operate free from external pressures and interference, ensuring that every case is heard and adjudicated based solely on its merits. Mr. Speaker, we must safeguard judicial independence and ensure that the judiciary can fulfill its role without compromise. Let us uphold the principles of justice, fairness, and the rule of law for the benefit of all Kenyans. I thank you, Mr. Speaker. Senator Justice Retired Stuart Mazayo, EGH MP, Senator for Kilifi County. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.